Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the Wheelchair Van Man, and if you currently subscribe to our channel, more than likely you've seen the video where we installed a Bruno platform lift into the back of a Honda Odyssey. The platform design is very quick and easy to use. However, it does take up the entire third row positioning of the vehicle. You do lose access to your third row seats. With the Bruno VSL-6000 we've installed, we'll still maintain access to that third row seat on the driver's side when the mobility device isn't with us. Additionally, if the device isn't in there, you still have a lot of storage and cargo room if it's needed. The VSL-6000 is going to be controlled by hand pendant. It has a 450-pound lifting capacity. But with this design, since it's not a platform, we do have to attach a docking device to the mobility device. So simply going to add on a bracket onto the seat post of this chair. At that point, our docking device is going to integrate right into it. This pin's going to come out. This will slide in and out of there. Very easy to operate. To run our lift, Bruno supplies a hand pendant. This will light up at night too, making it easier for us to see operation. So we've got up, down, out, and in. I'm going to start by pushing up. This is going to raise our mobility device up. As I'm coming vertically, you'll see right here on our strap, there's that white line. We do not want that white line to go up beyond the point of us being able to see it and it being exposed. If we run it past that, we can go up and you can see that white block there will get damaged, and the likelihood of us fraying our belt will increase. Now from here, I'm going to go in. I am guiding this with my hand, holding on to it, doing this all one-handed, so it is fairly easy to do. I'm going to continue to hit the in button until the lift stops. Once it stops, then I can simply lower this down to the floor of the vehicle by simply hitting down. I'm going to lower it down so that the wheels are on the ground. At that point here, there's a little slack in that, and as I step back, we have that stowed in. This can go into many years, makes and models, not only the Honda Odyssey, but a lot of other vehicles as well. If you want to get a pricing or see one of these products in person, locate a dealer at blvd.com. Locate a dealer near you where they'll have examples, pricing, and applications available. If you have questions or comments, please leave it below. Check out blvd.com for everything mobility needed.